Hi, I'm Gordon from Camera Labs, and this is a very quick hands-on first look at the Fujifilm XF 33mm f1.4, a bright standard prime lens for X-mount mirrorless cameras. Announced in September 2021 and costing $799 or £699, it delivers standard coverage roughly equivalent to 50mm on full frame. Now, it doesn't replace the original XF 35mm 1.4 from long ago, but it comes in at a higher price point, adding fast and silent linear focusing as well as weather sealing to a more modern optical design. It has 9 rounded aperture blades, a closest focusing distance of 30cm, takes 58mm filters and weighs 360 grams. I briefly got to try out a pre-production sample, so just as a quick tease, here is a portrait taken by Locke at f1.4 showing what's possible. Now, I wasn't allowed to delve into the quality of a pre-production lens, so I'm going to save that for my full review of a final production sample, and when it's ready, I'll link to it here. I just wanted to give you a very brief look at this new lens. And in other Fujifilm lens news, there's also a new XF23 1.4 costing $800 or £819, and this time that model does replace the existing version, again now with weather sealing and linear motors, as well as an updated lens roadmap with new XF 18-120 and XF 150-600 models slated for 2022, but no further details as of yet. Fujifilm has also announced an X-T30 Mark II with a high-resolution rear screen and updated processor, supporting the latest film simulations and focusing enhancements. And that's all the X-Series news I have for you in this video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.